Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how fresh milk transforms into powdery magic? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of milk powder. Is it a health hero or a hidden villain? Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Our journey begins at picturesque dairy farms, where happy cows provide the milk we love. But how does it go from this, to this, and to this? Welcome to the heart of the operation. This is where fresh milk turns into the versatile milk powder you find in stores. Let's dive in. First up, quality control. Every batch of milk is tested to ensure it meets strict standards. Only the best makes it through. Next, the milk is separated. Cream is skimmed off to create both full-fat and skimmed milk powders, catering to your preferences. Next, the milk is pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria, ensuring it's safe to consume. Now, it's time for evaporation. The pasteurized milk is heated, and about half the water content is removed, turning it into a rich, creamy concentrate. Now, we're halfway to powdered perfection. The concentrated milk is then pumped into a spray dryer. Here, hot air is blown into a large chamber, and the milk is sprayed as fine droplets. The heat evaporates the remaining water, leaving behind fine milk powder particles. The powder is collected, cooled, and then packed into airtight containers to keep it fresh until it reaches your kitchen. So, is milk powder healthy? Well, it retains most of the nutrients found in fresh milk, including proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Depending on the type, it can be full-fat or skimmed, catering to different dietary needs. Nutritionally, it's quite comparable to fresh milk, making it a convenient alternative, especially in areas where fresh milk is hard to come by. And there you have it. From farm to factory to your kitchen, that's how milk powder is made. It's a handy option with a long shelf life and decent nutritional value. Just remember to choose wisely and check those ingredients. For more fascinating insights into the food we eat, stay tuned to our channel. See you next time.